Hey everybody, it's me, Tired Mama, and I'm here today with some very important news just for you. So, I actually went back and I've looked at all of my social medias, my YouTube comments, and I've been able to search and find out that over the last 4 years, I have been asked 384 times about taxes. So I'm here today to talk just a little bit about taxes and realize, number one, I'm not a CPA, okay? I'm just giving you advice from myself. Number two, I'm not a CPA, okay? But I want you to trust the people who are and who are professional bookkeepers, okay? Bear with me, you'll understand why. So, super exciting news is it's tax season. Many people like tax season. I personally don't. Not really a fan of it. But what we have to look at as teachers is that our career, like what we actually do, is a fairly new field, okay? The online education world is not something that most companies are prepared for. Like you can't go to, what's one of the easy, let's say, getyourtaxesdone.com and have a selection for, I'm a contract worker, online ESL teacher. They're not prepared for that, right? In reality, there's about 50,000 estimated teachers in the U.S. who teach online ESL as contractors. There are a lot of companies. My preference is Palfish, okay? You guys know that if you watch my videos, which I hope that's why you're here today. But companies like this aren't prepared all the time to answer our questions. A lot of times if we go places like H&R Block, they don't understand our profession, so they don't understand the things that we can write off. Well, that leads to us missing out. And I don't think that's fair, okay? So for years, I've stayed away from the idea of taxes. However, I'm super excited to have been introduced to a company that is helping us, okay? This company is called Keeper Tax. Okay. So the people at Keeper Tax, number one, are amazing. Number two, they are a company that helps you find your write-offs. Not on a yearly basis, not on a quarterly basis, not even on a monthly basis, on a daily basis. Let me explain. So this company is designed to solely work with 1099 employees, contractors, self-employed individuals, freelancers, and online ESL teachers, as well as rideshare, social media influencers. Like there's a ton of different things and people who don't get a traditional paycheck that qualify to work with Keeper Tax, okay? In general, people who work with this program save and find out on average $170 of deductions a month. I mean, that's more than $1,800 a year. Yes, ma'am. Sign me up. And that's what I did. At the end of the video, you're going to see a little video about how I signed up for Keeper Tax. Super easy, super simple. Now, what is it? Well, it's a program. It's not an app. You don't have to download anything to your phone. Basically, you fill out some information and you link your bank account. Understand, I get super freaked out about linking my bank account too. But I've seen the behind the scenes of Keeper Tax. The only thing they get is where you made a purchase, how much it was. That's it. So if I go to Target and I spend $20 on new rewards or props, it pops up in their system. One of their bookkeepers sends me a text on my little phone that I text on all day long and says, "Hey Sam, was this a educational or business related expense?" I simply type back yes or no. Now you work with a bookkeeper who gets to know you and your spending habits. You can stay in contact with your bookkeeper through the text. Super easy, super simple, and super fast. So how does this help you? Well, because we're online ESL teachers and we work from home, we get to write off in a home office. Things like our internet, our power, if we purchase rewards, if we purchase props, if you have to have a blue shirt, if you have to have a classroom environment around you, all of those things are write-offs. So, or partial write-offs at least. Keeper Tax contacts you and says, hey, is AT&T your internet bill? Yes, it is. Thanks for catching that. Then every month, they keep track of that. When it's time for you to do your taxes the next year, you just hit print. Guys, it prints out and it says, this year, Sam spent $3,000 on the internet. I hope I don't spend that much. But I spent $482 on classroom, environment. I spent $180 on rewards. These things add up, okay? But it all comes automized. You know the best thing about Keeper Tax, above all else? I don't have to keep my receipts anymore because I suck at keeping receipts, okay? I'm horrible at it. But it is what it is, guys. This is an amazing company. I love the idea. I love the technology that they're using. And it really is meant to help people like me who aren't, like, I'm not a tax professional. And I do go to an accountant, but I want you to know that the people who do our taxes give me what's called a lunar eye roll when I hand them this box. I hand them this box and they're like, what? Or better yet, they're like, well, we need you to organize your receipts before you get here. What? No, I'm not good at this. This handles all of it. You don't have to keep your receipts anymore because you have the record on your bank statement as to where you spent and what you spent. It's all kept right there for you. The people at the company are super professional and it's affordable. So if you follow my link below, make sure you follow the link. You're going to get it for $5 for the first 3 months. Yes, sign me up for $5 and I don't have to keep track of receipts and I don't have to keep track of my write-offs. Yes, ma'am. In all seriousness note, it's been a day, guys. It's been a day. In all serious note, you would think that as an English teacher, I could speak by now. In all seriousness, this is a very, very, very good idea. If you worry about your taxes when it comes to being a freelancer or having additional income, make sure that you're taking advantage of the write-offs, okay? Until next time, guys, I hope that you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the classroom. Bye!